Hello everybody and welcome to the video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to use a VLookup formula to speed up your Excel work. Now, where I found this quite useful recently was where I was doing a conversion from MYOB to 0, and part of that conversion had me exporting contact information, supplier contact information out of MYOB into Excel, and then I would manipulate that data, get it into the format that I needed for the 0 upload template, and then I would upload that, import that into 0. So I'll show you how to do it. Of course, you can use this formula for any kinds of things where you want to pull in information from another sheet based on the line in your spreadsheet that you're sort of looking at, and I'll show you how that works. So what we're working with here is the suburb column, column I. And as you can see here, we've got addresses. There's no suburb here. And then this is the raw data here. So what we need to do, we need to pull over this information here, which is the suburb information, into this sheet here. So what I do to do that is I go equals VLookup, open bracket. So you can see here we've got lookup value, table array, column index. So lookup value is going to be the start of the address, the street name. The table array is going to be in the raw data tab here, and we're going to be looking at these two columns here, column A, column B. So I'm going to highlight these two columns here, comma, column index. So what it's looking up, it's looking up the address name, the street name, which is this column here, and then it's looking at this table, columns A to B that I just selected, and we're going to look up column index, the second column, which is column B. So I'm going to enter 2 for the second column, comma, and now we just have to select, do we want an approximate match or do we want an exact match? We want an exact match, so I'm going to type in false. Close bracket, enter. And as you can see, our suburb has popped up, Bundina, for 25 Cramond Avenue. We'll have a look at that. And yes, that's where it's pulling it from. So now I can drag this down. And all the NAs are just items where it hasn't pulled a value because there's nothing in this field here, which I will delete later. Check a couple more. 764A Henry is Picnic Point. Is that right? Yes, it is. 37D is Marrickville. Yes, it is. So it looks like it's working. Fantastic. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's a really quick, easy way to pull data from one sheet into another sheet by looking at a particular value. So we're looking at when a field has this value here, then what is the corresponding value in column B, being the suburb. I hope that makes sense. This is something that is used very commonly by any data analyst or anyone who works in finance and spreadsheets and that sort of thing. So it's a good one to know. Anyway, we'll wrap the video up there, guys. If you want to book in a training session, head over to qtraining.net.au. We offer tailored training sessions, or you can basically work on whatever you want to work on. It'll be a Zoom session where you share your screen and ask me questions and I'll give you answers. We'll wrap it up there and we'll catch you later.